in schools to now call on the National Assembly to come up with regulations to manage the Children's Act in the education institutions. Kenya Secondary Schools Heads Association Chairman Indimuli Kahi said the present laws are crafted cannot help the teachers discipline rogue students, as there is no law making them accountable for what they have done.
Children are disciplined enough, because we should not just be talking about rights of the students. We must equally talk about the responsibility of the students. When I last checked, the Children's Act is not anchored in the Ministry of Education. It is anchored under the Ministry of Labour, and therefore Parliament must also come up. Ministry of Education must come up with rules and regulations to manage the Children's Act in education institutions. It's not fair. That is why you will find the students will walk scot-free whenever they make mistakes in schools, because there is no regulations. If you look at the Children's Act, they have a responsibility towards their parents and a responsibility towards their nation. But there is no responsibility towards education institutions. So they can break up things, they can ban their schools, and they walk scot-free because nothing ties them on, they have no responsibility on whatever they do.
We shall now go for a very short break right here on Trending News, but when we do come back right after the break, we are going to view how Eliud Kipchoge spoke to Luke